Hey, today we're going to be doing some coding with OzoBots, but we're going to be doing it virtually with OzoBlockly and using a simulator for our little OzoBot. And we're going to be doing an activity, well, many activities with Shape Tracer, and this is Shape Tracer 1. So first, let me show you the coding pad that we're going to use, give you a little bit of a guide to what all you can find here. First of all, over here is the simulation where you're going to see what you are telling your little guy to do. So here's our bot. Here's our OzoBot, our virtual one. Oh, and just to let you know, back here, these are where the wheel wells are. So we know this is the back of our bot and he is facing this direction. So if we tell him to move straight ahead, he will go this way. Also, up here, you can see all the different levels that you're going to go through Shape Tracer. And we are at level 1 right here, but it'll track your progress. And you can always go back and click on one of these and see what you programmed in a previous one, should you like. Now, right here, this is where it tells you the goal for the level you're on. And for example, right here, it tells you the goal for level 1. Right over here is where you have all of the coding blocks that you can choose from. At the moment, there are lighting effect blocks and movement blocks. As we need more things to do, you'll see there's more stuff that'll show up on here. Pretty cool. So let's go there. So this next slide is saying, here we go. Let's head over to OzoBlockly, open it up. Oops, that's right. Mine, I've already been playing with it. You can see I got through a couple levels here, but let me show you level 1 that we're at here. So again, looking at the goal here, we want to get OzoBot, my little guy there, to trace the line shown in the bot simulator on the right. So here it is. Here's my bot simulator. So here's my little bot, and I want him to trace this line. So a couple of reminders in here too. Number 1, add a light effect block and set the bot's light color to match the line. It's green, so got to make sure he's doing a green color. And number 2, add a movement block and adjust the steps. 1 simulator square equals 1 step for OzoBot. Okay, so I can, if I want that out of the way, I can click on that, but I can easily click again to have it come back. So here are my movement things, and it said light effects first. So let me click on that. Oh, there's my coding block I want for light effects. I personally like to bring my code sort of into the middle of where I'm looking. Now it's going to be red right now. Ooh, let's run that. Let's see what happens. Does it? Yeah, he turned red. Oh, and of course that's not right, and I didn't do it. Did you hear that little chirp? That means not yet. Very friendly. So there's my little green. Let's see if I got it right. I like to test a lot to see how and that's what's cool. It's not like a one-time thing and done. You can keep testing it. Hey, he did go green. You probably saw him flash green. Of course, if you didn't get him on the path he wanted, then he does do a little red and a little chirp to say, hey, not yet. Let me reset. So I'm ready to do the next run. Now we know the next part, as it said here, we added the light effect. And then number 2, add a movement block and adjust steps 1 at a time here. Let's look at this. So let me see what the movement block looks like. All right, we have 1 so far. So I'm going to click on that. I got it. Snap it with my code so I know they go in order. Easy to move it away if I need to. But let me just snap it back in there and move forward. Right now it's 1. Ooh, I'm going to test that too. Let me see. Run. Yep, he went 1. So that's 1. This is 1 here. Oh, how nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these darker lines come at 5. So I can count by 5s even. 5, 10. So I want to set him to 10. And, okay, speed. I can do slow, medium, fast, very fast. Well, I want to see it right now. Maybe I'll get to a point where I want it to go real fast because I'm testing a lot. But right now, I want to see each step. I'm going to keep him moving slow. Forward. I want him to go forward, not backward. Oh, what would happen if I did backward? Let me reset and run. Oh, see, he went off the screen. That's not what I want him to do, but it's interesting to see. So here, forward. Let me reset. There he is in his starting spot, and let me run. Whoa! Got it. Nice success. So I want to record this. I want to have this on my slide deck that I did that. So I'm going to actually, let's see, double click. Ooh, I could copy the image. And I'm going to go back to my slide deck. Next slide. Let's celebrate. Oh, I need to be not sharing to do this part. I want to put that little picture on here because yay, I want to celebrate. Isn't he cute? Man, he has a lot of eyes. Yeah, screenshot there. You can kind of see it behind there, but that's all right. I did level 1. Oh, by the way, yeah, I need to type that in there. You'll need to type that in there. It's not there already for you. But let me also, now if I go to the next level, oh, again, it's there already. Oops. Look how that is. Oh, I got a little medal for doing that. I also want to put that on my slide to celebrate my success. So I'm going to do a screenshot where I'm just capturing that one little part. Go back to my slide deck here and add that image. Upload from computer, recents. There it is. You can see I've been practicing a little. So lots of little images there. But there we go. I'm going to put it right here. And go, yay, I let pass level 1. Woohoo. Now I'm going to go back here and now I'm at level 2. Oh my goodness, look at this one. So I'm going to go up. I'm going to go this way. See, he's facing that way. So I'll have to see what I'm going to do next. So let's try it. First of all, it said to do light effects. So see how it's red? I think I still need to set it for the light color. In fact, I know I do. Once I forgot to put the light color and I couldn't figure out like what's going on because it looks like he does red at first because it comes up with red, but you actually do need to still set that light color. We learned already that this is 5. So let me get movement. Oh, new one. Slight turn. Well, let me have him go 5 forward. Let me snap that together. See how that lighted up? So that I could see it was going to do that. I'm going to do 5 steps slow. Let me test it. All right, we got our first step here. Now, if I was him, I'm looking from the top down. Am I turning towards my left hand or am I turning towards my right hand? Well, turning towards my right hand. So let's see movement. Let's see how this works. Rotate. Let me bring that over. You can see how there's a little rotate thing here. And I want to go, okay, slight left, left, slight right, right. Well, I definitely want to turn right. That is a right turn. And then I want to move another 5. And you can right click or double click on this and I can duplicate so I can grab that one again. And I want to go 5 steps. So that should work. Let me see how I'm doing on there. Let me reset him. Let me run. Hey, bot. Good job, bot. So far, so good. I know we're not there yet, but thank you for cheering for me to get that far. All right, so now let me see here. I need to turn again, don't I? Because I went up here. I turned right. Now I go here. Now if I'm facing this way, this would be a left turn. I want to see what happens when I do a right turn again, though, because so when I do right turn, I'm going to duplicate that. And let me duplicate I already can see that's 5 steps. Let me duplicate and do the 5 steps here. And let me run. I got him reset. Now I went right instead of left, so it should come down this way. Let's see. Yep, it did the bot's going to do what you tell it to do. That's what programming is. That's what coding is. You write down your code and you're telling whatever the device is, whether it's your bot, whether it's animation, whether it's some sort of simulation for anything. Maybe it's a writing program. I don't know. Whatever you're doing when you're writing computer code, you're telling it what to do. So if you tell it something, it's just going to do what you tell it, not what you think it should do. You got to write it. So let's see. Let me move this to left. And let's see how we go. Oh, gonna test it. Wow. Yay! I like how he does sort of that cheer for me. You know what, this time I'm gonna do that copy and paste thing again, but I'm gonna do actually not copy and paste. I'm gonna take that image And I'm going to go to my slide deck, and I'm going to go to level 2, and I am going to put in that image. Upload from computer, recents. Here it is. And, oh, look, see, I already have the 2 from another time. I'm going to be cheeky. I'm going to take that one as well, just so that it's ready to go. So, yay, success. Ooh, that's big. I better, oh, that's because I have that other one there. Let me size that down a little bit. Now you can take things and size it down. And then there's my 2 because I did level 2. All right. So now that 2 will show up when I go to level 3, but I'm going to let you head over to level 3, take a look, see what you think, and hey, have some fun. Remember to just test things out. If it doesn't quite work, then that means you change your code and try something else. That's what's really cool about this, all the testing you can do, and have fun with your little guy, your little bot.